Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer crypto from Coinbase to MetaMask, complete guide step by step clearly. First, ensure you have your Coinbase and MetaMask accounts set up and verified. Open your Coinbase account and sign in using your credentials. Navigate to the Assets tab on the Coinbase dashboard. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to transfer. Click on the Send button associated with that cryptocurrency. In the recipient field, you will need to enter your MetaMask wallet address. To find your MetaMask wallet address, open your MetaMask extension or app. Ensure your MetaMask is on the correct network for the cryptocurrency you are sending. Click on the account icon at the top of the MetaMask interface to copy your wallet address. Return to Coinbase and paste your MetaMask address into the recipient field. Double-check that the address you pasted is correct to avoid losing your funds. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to send. Review the transaction details carefully, including gas fees that may apply. Once you have verified everything, click on the Continue button. Coinbase will prompt you for a confirmation of the transaction. Confirm the transaction to initiate the transfer. You may receive an email alert or notification from Coinbase regarding the transaction. Open your MetaMask wallet to check the transaction status. It may take a few moments for your funds to appear in your MetaMask account. If the transaction does not appear right away, you can check Blockchain Explorers for updates. Make sure to keep an eye on transaction fees and network congestion during transfer. Once confirmed, your cryptocurrency will now be available in your MetaMask wallet. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.